I'm gonna catch this guy. Should be here any second. Ah, there he is. Oh, gold, gold, gold. And who's that guy that took my steel? I was gonna kill him. Die, die, die. Maybe I could steal this car. I know a good idea. I'll put this over there. I'll put that up there. Whoa, extra. Put your hands up right now. Hands up right now. And again.